it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S coming here with another reaction. Today we here with Nhance, Table Turn, featuring Teejay. Yeah, so Nhance and Teejay. We see Teejay call up Nhance on some fest. Yeah, that was a moment. Big up yourself, Nhance. Big up yourself, Teejay, working with the younger artists as well. So that one named Table's Turn. Let's jump to the one on here with the GM officer. Let's go, man. Let's go, man. Production team, big up.
I do with the Zion Lane, so for singer singer. Zion Lane, young man. All who I wish more power, wish more. Why have you said no charging? I know for who did that chat for me name. Why have you see me mash up and drop on me face? No, I'm there, so I tap by the game. I see him bleach out, do that for me Spain. Arch man, rock to that bounce for me. Let's go.
The melody them coming from both artists. The melody. This collab was needed. Teejay melodies them just different. Just enhance the song. Like, come on, dog. Come on.
I do with the Zion Lane, so for singer singer.
I shame the G, them I shame them, you know. All the people them used to chat bad from them name. What you going now? Yeah. What you have to say? Fat right up, no house, well, big house. Ready?
I know for who did that chat for me name. Why have you see me mash up and drop on me face? No, I'm there, so I tap by the game. I see him bleach out, do that for me Spain. Archman road to top banks, Babylon. Youths fear fly out and a snap on the plane. Pasta if not a lap stop on the plate. Salute.
Hear that? Youths them fear fly out and a snap on the plane. Pasta if not a lap stop on the plane.
My same bleach out, do that for me Spain. Archman road to top banks, Babylon. Youths fear fly out and a snap on the plane. Pasta if not a lap stop on the plate. Salute it up, that bus one of the year. Look where me a come from, where me they know. And me have to stay out, me hard work, me a pasta if not a lap stop on the plate. Salute it up, that bus one of the year. Look where me a come from, where me they know. And me have to stay out, me hard work, me half. I'm gonna promise myself below the body, say no. Me not gonna cost nobody what but your bumbo class, so. Pull up, yo! Pull up! Let's go!
Whoa! Yo, the man saying promise himself him not gonna cost nobody what but your bumbo class. Like, come on, dog. Oh shit. That's bad. That's bad. I have to go again. Sang bad.
I do with the Zion Lane, so for singer singer. Zion Lane, young man. All who I wish more power, wish more. Why have you said no charging? I know for who did that chat for me name. Why have you see me mash up and drop on me face? No, I'm there, so I tap by the game. I see him bleach out, do that for me Spain. Archman road to top banks, Babylon. Youths fear fly out and a snap on the plane. Pasta if not a lap stop on the plate. Salute it up, that bus one of the year.
It's bad enough.
Look where me a come from, to where me they know. And me have to stay out, me hard work, me half. I'm gonna promise myself below the body, say no. Me not gonna cost nobody what but your bumbo class. So all who I wash mouth for me, tell me how you feel, no charge it. How you feel about all the bad things you say. Me no forget. Me tell you they put the pieces to the puzzle and I look for myself in the mirror where I'm coming from.
Yo, Teejay, hold on a second, me from. Yo, Nhance body in a dog. Nhance sick in a brother. No man, sorry, I'm sorry. Me have to hear him verse again that. Yo! But just say as a nation and just amends everything what the man I said, bro. Like,
I do with the Zion.
I feel like a word, dog.
Zion
ready, GC, and Teejay no start yet. Metis again, dog.
I know for who did a chat for me name. Oh, if you see me mash up and drop on me face. Now I'm there, so I top for the game. I see him bleach out, do that for me Spain. Archman road to top banks, Babylon. Youths fear fly out and a snap on the plane. Pasta is not a lap stop on the plate. Salute it up, that bus one of the air. Oh, look where me I come from, to where me they know. And me have to stay out, me hard work me off. I'm gonna promise myself below the body, say no. Me never ghost nobody what but your bumbo class. So all who I wash mouth for me. Tell me how you feel, no charge you. How you feel, no charge. Bad things you say, me no forget. Me no forget. Me there, they put the pieces to the puzzle and I look for myself in the mirror where I'm coming from. Will it what time and feel like to squeeze the bomber. Number the trouble when the trouble your fam.
Vines.
Bad things you say,
Vines.
me no forget. Me no forget. Me there, they put the pieces to the puzzle and I look for myself in the mirror where I'm coming from. Will it what time and feel like to squeeze the bomber. Number the trouble when the trouble your fam. Never give up, me searching me fam. Still I carry the burden, me strong. Now me got the world in me and everybody know me song. Okay.
Facts.
No fuse to read.
Facts. Everybody know the G song. Yeah. 3 songs for Teejay, everybody's supposed to know. Yeah.
Searching me fam. Still I carry the burden.
Rocks to Riches, Owner Lane and Drift. Everybody's supposed to know them songs, the brother.
No trouble your fam. Never give up, me searching me fam. Still I carry the burden, me strong. Now me got the world in me and everybody know me song. Okay. No fuse to rate me, no fear me. Fear me ever feel like since lately. My girl tell me baby keep safe. Me keep my 3 points, somebody now go save me. Me feel like the feelings outdated. Grown myself, tell every girl so we a king. Rocks to Riches, you know see how this thing I live.
I just mentioned that song there, Rocks to Riches. You know see, if you don't know that song, there's something wrong with you, no, brother. Rocks to Riches, you know see how the killer live, dog. Look how the artists I live, brother. From nothing to something, literally. Yo, you have to rate them youth, yeah, bro. You have to rate them youth. As him said earlier on, him could have stopped and go take up the bomber, but no. And no feel, and no.
Fear me ever feel like since lately. My girl tell me baby keep safe. Me keep my 3 points, somebody now go save me. Me feel like the feelings outdated. Grown myself, tell every girl so we a king. Rocks to Riches, you know see how this thing I live. Buy the house and still not living in it. Come from to where me they know.
Man, so him buy the house, but him still not living in it. You know why not living in it? Because he's always on tour, he's always on a flight. He's always on a flight eating pasta or, if not that, a salmon. No, not salmon, lobster. Yeah, the boss always out there. He's out there touring.
Things outdated. Grown myself, tell every girl so we a king. Rocks to Riches, you know see how this thing I live. Buy the house and still not living in it. Come from to where me they know. And me have to stay out, me hard work me off. I'm gonna promise myself below the body, say no. Me never ghost nobody what but your bumbo class. So all who I wash mouth for me. Tell me how you feel, no charge you. How you feel about all day. Bad things you say, me no forget. I just see a mouth bill you and kill you. See a mouth wested then with your gun switch up. When you start lift up, I just see a mouth piss up, get piss up and shit up and a chat with your
class. Yeah, the choppings, brother. Yeah, the choppings. What?
How you feel about
Talent.
Bad things you say.
Fucking talent.
I just see a mouth bill you and kill you. See a mouth wested then with your gun switch up.
Yeah.
When you start lift up, I just see a mouth piss up,
Yeah.
get piss up and shit up and a chat be a fart to no mouth one kiss you and all the them class me. Say me I do rush them style me as crosses. Now I the big beam I drift through the road. I do supposed to feel like a big pussy hole.
Yeah. The class me and done the one bag of thing now the big beam I drift through the road. When I'm supposed to feel like a big pussy hole. How do you feel? Big pussy hole, I like a pussy hole. Binds. Fuck off,
When I lift up at the same mouth, piss up, get piss up and shit up and a chat be a fart to no mouth one kiss you and
mouth one tissue, like wipe off your mouth, your chat be a shiz.
piss up, get piss up and shit up and a chat be a fart to no mouth one kiss you and all the time them class me. Say me I do rush them style me as crosses. Now I the big beam I drift through the road. I do supposed to feel like a big pussy hole. Look where me I come from.
Yo, You like the party, dog. Like the party, brother. Because we can relate, you know. I seriously can relate. Yeah, we can relate.
All the time them class me, say me a the worst, them style me as crosses. Now I the big beam, I drift through the road. I do supposed to feel like a big pussy hole. Look where me I come from, to where me they know. And me have to stay out, me hard work me off. I'm gonna promise myself below the body say no. Me not go cost nobody what but your bumbo class. So all who I wash mouth for me, tell me how you feel, no charge it. How you feel about all the bad things you say, me no forget. Yeah, man, we've been through heaven and hell. And make it out and proud of ourselves.
Definitely. Brother.
Man, you see it.
Big up Nhance, man. TJ, big up yourself. Yo, the youth have a future. A bright future, dog. Nhance just get a different level of ratings to me, bro. Like, the man song them is so relatable, dog. Like, you can relate every word with the G I say, dog. TJ just like, this is the perfect collaboration for me. Like, the two artists them complement each other in the best way possible, bro. The melodies, the vocals, the clarity, they play upon words, yo, just everything, bro. The song well put together, dog. Big up production team behind the one, brother. Two artists where I do things right now. TJ, big up yourself, we give Nhance the looking, brother. You see me? Two talent artists. So TJ see the talent and say, yo, I have to record that youth here now. You see me? And Nhance reach out. So, yo, Nhance, your future bright, brother. Your future is orange, brother. Bright. You see me? Yeah, dog. Big up yourself, TJ. Like I said, production team, big up. Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comment section, man. But if you don't want to see any more Nhance reaction, click on any one of them two video and TJ reaction. I'll put one for Nhance, one for TJ. Click on them and then watch them. You know? I'll catch you guys on the next one. Boom!
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, Rick Connect.